Here's Nicholas and Don. We're going out for a quick afternoon flight. Here's our beautiful dirt bike in the sky, muddy as it should be, beautiful two-stroke motor. And I'll show you what's involved here to get this thing rocking and rolling. Ready, Nick?
Yep.
Clear prop. We're running. Just a quick second there to get the audio hooked up. We all good, Nick?
I think so.
All right. We should be recording now. We're just going to get our seatbelts on, warm up the engine a little bit. We're looking for about 135 on the water temp. We'll do a quick run up here while we're waiting. All right, check both mags. We'll go ahead and set our altimeter. I'll set the trim. Back 2 notches, I think it was. And that's what this is all about. Just give it a second for the water temp to come back up. We'll go for a quick flight. We'll get taxied out here.
Are you going to take off here?
Yep.
Okay.
Just waiting for 135. Looks like we're almost there. Just another day at the office, right, Nick?
Yep.
Well, I say we go do some flying. What do you think? Just once around the patch, huh?
For sure.
And they're off. We'll just climb up to about 150 feet or so. We'll level out right here. It's pretty nice out here right now, Nick.
Yeah. A bit chilly.
See what we can do. Woohoo! All right. We'll make it a quick one. There's our shadow. Check it out. I love it. Are you dragging your feet in the dirt? Not quite?
Probably pretty close.
Too damn much fun.
We can fly, we can fly.
Dirt bike in the sky. All right. Climb back up.
Was there any wind at all?
I don't really think so.
We'll just land going back this way then. You can look at the windsock as we go by. It's cold.
Yeah.
Hear the ducks down there in our swamp. All right, I think the windsocks are pretty much hanging. Let's put it down, shall we?
Alrighty.
Four 4,000 RPM. And that's that. So that's why we fly the Quicksilver at least twice a day whenever we can, right?
Oh yeah.
Back at the ranch. Shut her down. Okay, hope you enjoyed that.